Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing whether or not there's a possibility that the Thai Condominium Act could provide for foreigners to be able to own land in Thailand. As a sort of preface to the remainder of this video, I would say that you got to understand the Thai Condominium Act, as amended, it's been actually amended once, maybe once I'm sure of. The Thai Condo Act allows foreign nationals to own condominiums in Thailand, not land. That's pretty explicit. But they're allowed to own condominiums in Thailand per the Act of 2008, and they can own these condominiums in freehold as opposed to having to use a leasehold structure or some sort of corporate structure. They can own these outright. Foreign nationals can own a condo outright. And a recent article from ASEAN Now, that's ASEANnow.com, the article is titled, Thailand Proposes 10-Year Visas and Land Ownership for Foreigners. Again, the following was noted. It had previously been suggested that laws similar to the Condo Act of 2008 would be used to allow foreigners to own land plots and housing developments. Leasehold of land up to 50 years were also being considered. We've done videos on both of these issues, the notion of possible foreign land ownership here in Thailand, which has been discussed a lot lately as a mechanism for attracting sort of high net worth individuals to relocate to Thailand. And we've also done a video on 50-year leases. That's been discussed for some time now. I think we did a video on that some 2-3 years ago. The thing to take away from this video is I don't and to be clear, I'm an American attorney, I'm a naturalized Thai citizen, I am the managing director of the firm. I've dealt with a lot of matters in sort of liaison capacity in dealing with things like conveyancing of condo ownership, and we've dealt with the Condo Act. We have a number of Thai attorneys here. This video obviously has been sort of reviewed by them to make sure I'm not talking completely out of school, but I don't precisely see where the Thai Condo Act is going to allow for foreign land ownership. The Thai Condo Act is specifically for condos, and there's a number of restrictions associated with that, including 49 to 51%, ratios of ownership, etc. Now, that said, things can change. Laws can be amended. It is possible that some new regulation comes down the pike, which might reinterpret the definition of condominium, maybe. Again, this is going to depend a great deal on a lot of things that have yet to transpire, if they do even transpire. But I thought it was worth making a video because it seems to be in discussion at least at sort of a policy thinking level, and we might see something like this in the relatively near future.